Get stuck in a rut, spinning your wheels? Time to get geared up to explore a whole world of exciting career possibilities with Buncombe County Schools Career and Technical Education, also known as CTE. BCS high schools offer courses in a wide variety of subjects, such as agriculture and natural resources, architecture and construction, business, marketing, sports marketing and finance, automotive technology, family and consumer science, hospitality and tourism, human services, health science, arts, AV technology and communication, science, technology, engineering and mathematics, manufacturing, and more. Be part of a career technical student organization where you can apply your real-world skills now and compete and learn with students from across the state and around the globe. Gain skills to earn an internship and put your knowledge to work for you. Discover your passion with Buncombe County Schools Career and Technical Education. Learn more from your career development coordinator or school counselor and at buncombeschools.org.